YouTube, back at it again with another one. 7 secret hacks to blow up your clothing brand that you didn't know about. My name is Eddie Scott, co-founder of the Say Less Lifestyle clothing brand. Started the brand back in 2020 with my cousin Trent. Since that point, we have grown our brand to become a 6-figure business, over 500,000 followers on TikTok, 80K on Instagram. Everything we learned in that process, I'm here to share with you. So be sure to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this to help grow your brand. Be sure to tap in, join the family, get these gems. Let's get straight to the video. 7 secret hacks for your brand that you didn't know about. Alright, so the first hack I got for you guys in blowing up your clothing brand. If you want to blow up your clothing brand, if you want to get a lot of sales for your brand, you're probably going to want to be running ads. And specifically, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. And so it may be challenging to come up with new ideas for ad creatives, even for copy, like the caption that's under your ad, how to target. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could just look at the ads that Nike is running, or even like brands like Road and Vision, God is dope. Like imagine if you could just see the exact ads that you're running and then just copy and paste it for your own brand. So the first hack I got for you guys is going to show you exactly how to do that. And the tool we're using here is called the Facebook ad library. So if I come on my computer, I'm just typing ad library because it should already come up for me. Facebook.com/ad/library. Boom. I'm going to be taken to the screen right here. And then, as you can see, search all the ads currently running across Meta, it's not called Facebook anymore, running across Meta Technologies, find ad search keywords, blah, blah, blah. So let's say I just use Nike, for example. So I'm coming here to search ads, say your location, United States, ad category. You're just gonna come in here, do all ads, don't worry about these other ones right here. And then search by keyword or advertiser. As you can see, I've already been doing some research on some other brands. So let's say Nike. I type in Nike and I can see once it loads all the accounts that they have. So Nike, Nike football, Nike sportswear. Let's just say Nike sportswear. Let's see what Nike sportswear is running for their Facebook, Instagram ads. I'm gonna click right here. Boom, 280 results. So they're currently running 280 ads for this Nike sportswear account. And right here, you can see the exact ads that they are running, which is really crazy. So if you want to get some inspiration, want to figure out the ads that are making a lot of brands money out here, you just go in here, see what the big dogs are doing, go in and click right here, get some more information. It's the wrong one. Let me come right here, see ad details. Boom, multiple versions of this ad. You can see the copy that they're using, the creative. You can see how long they've been running the ad for. And so yeah, it's really just a great tool. Success leaves clues. So if you want to see what the best brands are doing in terms of running ads, Facebook ad library or Meta ad library is the best way to go to see exactly what these brands are doing. All right, the second hack I got for you guys is OPM. OPM stands for other people's money. You could definitely grow a brand starting with $0. I literally have a video on my channel titled how I started my clothing brand with $0. But if you want to scale your clothing brand faster, you want to make it to that next level in a more time efficient manner, you're going to want to have as much capital on hand as possible. And so in the day and age that we live in, there are companies out there that will give you money to get your clothing brand up and running. You don't need to have a bunch of years in history. You don't need to have a super big business. You don't need to work with a big bank. There are companies out there that will give you money based on your past performance and based on your brand concept. They will give you money to help you invest in inventory, advertising, whatever you need to invest in to make your brand explode and blow up. They will give you money to help you do so. And I made a whole nother video about credit for your clothing brand, how to get these sources of OPM for your brand. So be sure to go check out that video. But one good example of a company that'll give you money to grow your clothing brand is Shopify. If you go on your Shopify dashboard, you go to the finances tab, there will be another tab under that called capital. And in that capital tab, if you're eligible, Shopify will give you a list of options of dollar amounts that they will give you. They'll give you a loan to go ahead and grow your brand. And what they do is they take a daily percentage of your daily sales. It's just a real good, simple, easy way to get money fast for your clothing brand. Use it correctly. Don't go spend it on Louis V or go to Saks Fifth and spend it on a bag. Like, be smart, invest the money. But yeah, OPM is the second hack I got for you guys. Number 3 secret hack that will blow up your clothing brand: business cards and wristbands. Now, this may seem like very simple or like, yo, what is he talking about? I'm telling you right now, business cards and wristbands have made our brand what it is today. So I got my bag over here. Give me a quick second. So I just had to come grab some of these business cards for you. Just had a stack. They've been sitting in my bag for a long time. But just something as simple as having a business card with your brand logo on it, and then on the back, you know, just having what your brand is all about. As you can see, I got my brand message on there, website, QR code to join our text list. Like, just real simple. And then wristbands. I'm wearing one of our wristbands right now. Boom, got our logo, and then because our brand is based on motivation, got a little motivational quote. We locked in, you feel me? But yeah, business cards and wristbands are a real powerful strategy in growing your brand. When you're first getting started off, you're going to want to get in the streets with your brand. Like, yes, it's cool to have an online store. You need to have an online store, but there's something powerful about the in-person experience. When somebody's able to experience your brand one-on-one, you as the founder of your brand, being able to interact with people, tell them the message and the meaning behind your brand is so powerful and gets loyal fans and followers for your brand. And so one thing that we would do when we first got started, we would do pop-up shops, cities like New York, Chicago, and we would just be in the streets, right? Walking to people, we'd just be like, hey, check out our clothing brand. Combo just like this, business card, wristband, hey, check out our clothing brand. We say 200K followers on TikTok, 20K on Instagram, go check us out. Maybe a good amount of people would just keep walking. They may take the wristband, business cards, just keep walking. But the majority of the time, those people are going to stop and see what you have going on, because you're giving them something for free. Even in your packaging, if you're shipping out orders, put in a business card, wristband. It really leaves a lasting impression on your brand, gives it that professional feel, and you're giving people free items, which gives them a better emotional connection with your brand. So business cards and wristbands are a powerful tactic and a powerful hack to blow up your clothing brand. Number 4 hack I got for you guys when it comes to designing for your clothing brand. You know, a lot of people talk about Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe this, Adobe that you gotta pay hundreds of dollars for software. That may not be feasible for you. Even if you do have access to Photoshop, like, it may seem real complicated. There's definitely a learning curve to it. So the hack I have for you guys is going to be another free software that you can use to make good designs for your clothing brand. And that software is Canva. And so if I pull up Canva on my computer, Canva is not even a software for it. It's just a website, canva.com. Boom, let's say I want to create a design for, let's just do Instagram post, so I get the square dimension, and yeah, so you get a free template, free canvas, hence the name Canva. You could literally just get active, get creative as you want. You could come in here, let's say you want to make a new design for your brand. You can download, let's say, so I can show you guys. You could say, let's say you want a black t-shirt. I can say black blank t-shirt mock-up vector. I know it's this site called Vecteezy, I think, that I like. And so you can come in here, images for t-shirt, boom, something as simple as, let's just pick one, boom, right here, right? And I come right here, click it, I'm gonna scroll down, I lost the one I had. Hey, let's use a white t-shirt, it don't matter, for the sake of the example. Boom, free download. Once it downloads, you go ahead and unzip this file, boom, and then you can take that, bring it back in here, just go ahead and drag and drop the JPG file, boom, and then bring that right there, bang, and now you got room to work with, going to get crazy with the design. Let's just say I want to make a design, let's come into Elements so I can get some inspiration. You want to make a design about love, your brand is about loving one another. I could put a heart, I'll come in here, let's say something like this, I could change the color of that, boom, let's say red, bing. Let's say I put that on the back, right? And then I want some text under that that says, I can use one of these templates right here, boom, and just change that to say love, or something of the sort, bang. And I could take that, boom, put that right there, nice little off center, and then I could put whatever I want right here, you feel what I'm saying? Like, you could really get creative with Canva And I'm keeping it real simple for you guys, but you can literally do whatever you want with Canva. It's real simple, real easy to use, has a lot of different tools. So Canva is the number 4 hack I got for you guys. Number 5 hack I got for you guys. An important aspect of business is delegating your work. If you want to have a successful business, if you want to be a successful business owner, you have to learn the art of delegating your work. And so you need some people around you who are going to help you fulfill this brand vision that you have. And so you may not have people immediately around you that have the skills that you need to help grow your brand, but you can outsource. You can find people online on the internet that can help you fulfill that brand vision. And so the 5th hack I got for you guys today is Fiverr. Now, some of you guys may already know about Fiverr, but you may not know how powerful it is to help you blow up your clothing brand. So let's say I just showed you Canva, but let's say you still want some extra firepower when it comes to graphic designing. You rather have somebody else make your designs for you. You can come right here to fiverr.com, and let's just say I need a graphic designer for clothing brand. Boom. And as you can see, 4,670 services available. All of these people, these are a bunch of different graphic designers that will be willing to help you grow your brand, take it to the next level. You just come in here, negotiate with some people, and yeah, figure out what works best for you. And most of these people are very cheap, starting at $5 for a design, for some graphics. Like, you could really come in here and spend maybe 20 bucks on a design that can make you 20K. You feel what I'm saying? So it's just really powerful. You need people that are going to help you take your brand to the next level, and Fiverr is a great platform to help you find those people. The number 6 hack. Now, you guys have definitely heard of this one before. This isn't something that you don't know about, but I'm about to show you guys how to properly use it to grow your clothing brand and take your brand to the next level. And so the number 6 hack is TikTok. Yes, we all know about TikTok, but TikTok is such a powerful app in today's day and age. As you can see, I got my clothing brand in here, Say Less Lifestyle, our TikTok page, 559 whatever thousand followers. Hey, you may be thinking that's a lot. You may be wondering, how can I get there? That's why I'm talking to you guys about this for the number 6 hack. TikTok is so powerful in growing a brand and just getting awareness. And so that's the first step, awareness. I want people who are interested in the content that I have and what my brand is about. I want those people seeing my brand. And TikTok is arguably the best app to make that happen. You could come in here, create any piece of content that targets a certain target demographic. And so as you can see, I'm just scrolling through our TikTok page. You see we have a very clean theme, and it's all about motivation. You feel what I'm saying? Motivation and fitness. Look around. Motivating people, inspiring people to be great, to take action, to get in shape, make that varsity team, change their life, like whatever they have in mind. And so our content is targeting, as you can see, got an NFL player right here, grinding, and a Say Less merch. And so not only is it connecting with our target demographic, we're also promoting our merchandise in the content. And so TikTok is very powerful in that it will allow you to target a certain demographic, build an audience of people who like your content, and get some notoriety, get some following towards your brand. And the 7th secret hack, the last hack I got for you guys on how to take your brand to the next level, how to blow up your clothing brand. This is definitely going to be something that you didn't think about before. It may even seem obvious once I say it, but mindset. Mindset is the last hack I got for you guys today. And it really is a hack, because many brands out here, everybody's got a clothing brand nowadays. But when you see these brands out here that have no meaning behind them, don't really have any substance behind them, a lot of these people, respectfully speaking, they may have good intentions, but they haven't prepared themselves for the success that they may want. They haven't developed their minds. They haven't developed themselves as a person to become the person that they need to become to take their brand to the next level. Success starts with a strong desire. You have to have a definite chief aim. You have to know that you know that you know that you want to run this brand. You have to have a reason why. If your why is just so you can make a lot of money, yes, we all want to make money with our brand. What's going to separate you from the other 10 million clothing brands out there? You have to have a definite chief aim that's bigger than you, that's motivating other people, inspiring other people, changing other people's lives through your brand and your brand message. And then just devote yourself to personal development, spiritual development, reading the books, taking the seminars, doing the work that it takes to become a better human being. You have to elevate your mind. Even when it comes down to a money mindset, you can't make $100,000 in a month with a 1K a month mindset. You have to study, you have to learn, you have to grow and elevate your mind to the place where you want it to be in order for you to be successful. That's the end of the video. Be sure to like if you enjoyed, if it provided value to you in some way. Be sure to subscribe for more clothing brand, finance, entrepreneurship content. Be sure to turn on post notifications so that you never miss another video from me. Be sure to check out my Discord server in the first link in the description. Come join the community. If you want one-on-one personal mentorship with me for your clothing brand, you want me to take a look at your brand, guide you step by step along the journey, be sure to click that second link in the description. Even feel free to DM me on Instagram. We could talk more about your brand. I even got an ebook for you guys on how to start your 100K clothing brand today. Be sure to go check that out also. I'm out of here. Let's be great. Let's get after it. Let's get it.